The American Truck Graphics blue rocker stripes with F-150 logo are for any 09 to 14 F-150 owner that wants a quick and easy way to enhance the side of your truck while also showing off a little Ford pride with the included F-150 logos. Once applied, these accents will give the sides of your truck more depth and contrast. The lower side panels of your truck can take a lot of abuse from debris, especially if you like to go off-roading. This is a good option if you want to cover up any chips or scratches, or if you want to protect your paint from damage too. Keep in mind, these are more affordable than a door respray, and because this is a peel and stick application, I'm going to be giving this install an easy 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter. Expect each side to take about an hour. American Truck Graphics uses high-quality 4mm vinyl to cut these decals, which is around double the thickness of some of the other cheaper brands you might find elsewhere. Each piece has been clear coated for additional protection. They're expected to last at least 8 years outdoors, including in rain and snow. They're not just for a show truck. They'll look good even after off-road abuse. They've been designed to be clean just like the rest of your truck, so you don't have to worry about these things peeling off during a weekend wash. We make these decals in-house at American Truck Graphics. This allows us to measure and test fit the vinyls on our trucks to make sure they'll fit your truck's own lines perfectly. To make install as easy as possible, especially over multiple door panels like this application, American Trucks built air release technology into the vinyl. This means that on the adhesive side, we've designed air release channels that allow air bubbles that might get trapped underneath to easily escape without any wrinkles forming. You can see here that I have the blue gloss finish, but we have multiple different colors and finishes. I've seen customers in our comment section saying people have been asking if they purchased a special edition F-150 because of these decals. So these are a cool and simple way to make your truck stand out from all the others. And if you're going for the deep badge look, or you don't want to add another F-150 logo to your truck, we also offer multiple vinyl options in terms of words and lettering. These rocker stripes are just under 40 bucks for both sides, which I think is a pretty good price. Accent paint options and factory stripes can cost a couple $100, so this is a nice, easy alternative. It's an especially good price if you compare this to a respray or buffing that can cost you a few $100. Switching gears to the install, I'm going to be giving this a 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter. Expect each side to take about 30 minutes to an hour. The only tools you'll need are a mixture of soap and water and the squeegee that's provided. First step, you're going to clean the application area of any dirt, dust, and oil. Now wet the back of the vinyl with the same water mixture and apply it to the truck, making sure it's lined up correctly. Then, while it is drying, use your squeegee to smooth out any air bubbles that may appear. After it's dry, complete these same steps for the opposite side, and you're done. That's my review and install of American Truck Graphics blue rocker stripes with the included F-150 logo. Check these out and more at AmericanTrucks.com.